The festive season is upon us. Diwali is being celebrated all across the world today. Here's a story that will definitely light up your mood. A Bangalore-based chocolatier is making cracker chocolates to revive the nostalgic memories of her childhood Diwali. Priya Jain of Mishi Crafts has been making these chocolates for the last 4 to 5 years. They are made in varieties of milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, and are mixed with fruits and nuts. These hampers have chocolates in the shape of bombs and rockets, which have been a huge hit with both children and adults.
Namaste, my name is Priya. I'm a chocolatier from Bengaluru, and every festive season it's our constant effort to make something new and unique for Diwali, and this time around has been no different. We've brought together chocolates with the concept of crackers, and this is something that we've done for the last couple of years, and I think every year the most delightful part of it is receiving the phone calls after somebody's received a box of these, and they're so happy to know that there's chocolates in the form of crackers. And we're bringing together two things that are very essentially Diwali, and I think it just makes me so happy to know that I've managed to make everybody's Diwali a very happy Diwali.